Okay, so we're landing here in Patna. Arrived from Ranchi. 35. It was like maybe 35 to 40 minutes flight time, but it seriously felt like 10 minutes. Yeah, I know, time passes by that quickly. At times, I just don't understand time. I jinxed myself. Well, it's pretty smoggy here. It's windy. It's probably gonna rain today. Maybe. I mean, it isn't. There aren't any like black clouds, I guess, but I think it's gonna rain today. Honestly. Anyways, this part of Patna is beautiful. Yeah, I think we're entering the city. The bustling city of Patna. I honestly like Patna still. Like, my mother doesn't, but I like the place. It's beautiful. And yeah, we're flying in A320 CEO today. A320 CEO, the standard 320. Honestly, yesterday I found out that we were gonna get a 320 Neo registered VT IPQ, but then suddenly at nighttime, like at 10 or 11, they just changed the aircraft to VT IAQ, Airbus A320-232, equipped with the IAE V2500 engines, and the takeoff was epic. Like, it was epic. Just look at these houses, man. They look so messed up, I swear. I actually do. Well, anyways, we're landing now, so... Ooh, that's a train station. Nice. This happened last time. I mean, 2 years ago in 2021, in December, we also got an A320-232 registered VTIFQ. Same route, Ranchi to Patna, and when we landed, landing was so hard. Like, probably as hard as this, as today's landing.
Thank you. फिर बता दीजिए यात्री पटना में उतरेंगे उनसे निकलने के बाद खुलने के बाद सुरक्षा जांच के लिए अपना बॉर्डिंग कार्ड हाथ में रखें। जो यात्री उड़ान संख्या 925 से लखनऊ जाएंगे उनसे निवेदन है कि स्थान पर बैठने से पुलिस दस्तावेजों को सुरक्षा करने में आपके बॉर्डिंग कार्ड की जांच और साफ लाए सामान की पहचान कराएंगे। धन्यवाद। Attention please. Customers disembarking at Patna.
Oh, I see the new terminal.
Ready for inspection by security. 15 customers traveling onwards by flight number 63925 to Lucknow. Please remain seated on your original seats. IndiGo security staff will come by shortly to verify.
For some reason, this flight has always headed off to Lucknow. Resting. I guess I see the new terminal. Ma, naya terminal. One. What I think they're gonna do is they're just going to demolish the old airport and just replace it with the new airport in the background. You can see. Oh, it's raining a bit.
Passenger exited cabin door is on our side.
अब आप मोबाइल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। आप अपनी सीट पॉकेट ठीक से देखें ताकि आपका कोई सामान विमान में रह ना जाए। सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधें।
See you guys in Patna.
अपनी यात्रा में इंडिगो को शामिल करने के लिए धन्यवाद।